Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system we've been using to book 5 sales calls every single day for the last 14 days consistently. So if you're a VP of sales, a founder at a SaaS business, an agency, you can simply follow these steps and replicate it exactly for your product, for your service, for your offer, whatever, to achieve the same results. So before we get into it, I'm going to show you quickly the proof that this actually works. So if we go to look at the last 30 days, so with the 14th of October, check the 14th of September, we booked 125 meetings. And if we check from the beginning of the month, the first 14 days, we had 50 meetings created. With the 14th of October, let's say there's 10 working days and 4 days of weekend. That's about 50 meetings for 10 working days. That's about 5 meetings per day. Now that this is covered, we're going to go into why you're probably not booking as much meeting as you would need to or as you would like to. Because we do a lot of sales calls and we see, like, obviously, this is the question we ask. And so the most thing we're seeing is, first of all, you're probably not leveraging AI for outbound. There's a massive opportunity at the moment to use AI to book more sales meeting if done correctly. Like, there's a lots of fluff, there's lots of bullshit with AI at the moment, but there's a few top players who are using AI correctly to do the most out of your outreach, which works a lot. I'm going to show you in this video, like, in full transparency, with no like BS, how we use AI to book a lot of meetings. And yeah, most people are just using the same approach, like just blasting volume with no relevance, etc. And just expecting results, which is not working. And the other one is you're not sending enough volume. So if at the moment you're already booking meetings, and let's say you're booking one sales call for every 200, 300, even up to 500 person contacted, your problem is not so much about trying to change your scripts using AI, etc. It's more about doing more volume. So this is like simple. You just put more water at the top of the funnel, and you'll get more result downwards. And the last one is that your offer is broken. I'm not going to go into this in this video, but if you sell something and nobody likes it, it's going to be hard to pitch your offer. So the best thing about that is more like work on your offer, ask 10 people around you, would they be willing to buy your service? Ask a few strangers, like cold people, see if they'd be willing to buy your service. If nobody wants it, then you have an offer problem. Now, let's go into the solution. So what is our exact workflow? So pretty simple. We send emails, we get replies. Once someone says, I'm not interested, we just stop the campaign. Someone says, I'm interested. So what happens there is they get enrolled into a two-step sequence, basically trying to book a meeting. If we don't book any meetings, they go to LinkedIn, two messages saying like, hey, we you've told us over email you were interested in having a call. Would you be interested in having a call? And not if we don't book any. We have a calling system where we call people at the same time while they receive email and while they receive LinkedIn. So let me show you how this works. First of all, if we go to, let's try to find a meeting booked. This, for example, so a meeting booked yesterday. I'm going to put myself a bit smaller because we don't need to see all of my sexiness right now. So here is the meeting we booked. And when we ask clients what is the reason why they took the call, why they start working with us, it's usually because this first line here is personalized. So if we check the email, hey Mario, I noticed you provided intelligent payment infrastructure built on Bitcoin for real-time low cost transaction. This gives the impressions that we've been on the customer's website, we know what they're doing. And so when they receive this email, it's like, oh, this is a bit different. Like this guy has done some research. Interesting. That doesn't mean he's gonna book the call, but he's interested. He's like, okay, what does they do? And now we have a good offer. We say, hey, we can help you generate sales meeting on a performance basis with high volume platform in the digital economy. Would you be open to discussing this? So first line is like it's good because the someone like sees that we've done some research, and then the second line is a good offer. So it's these two factors of like AI personalization plus a good offer. This is what works, and this is what I was saying was the opportunity of using AI. It sounds really simple, really stupid, but much like there's like probably like 1% of people doing cold email who are using this. I check my emails every day and I probably receive between 20 to 70 emails per day. I have never received an email using like good AI, like, hey Henri, I noticed that you help other companies book sales calls on a performance basis. We work with other lead gen agencies to take care of their delivery. Would you be interested in talking? I have never received an email like this. So this is why I know that not much people are using it. Now, how are we actually using this? Let we go back to the company. So this will call Ambos Tech. This is like a Google Sheet using AI, and basically we have 15,000 website in there, like 15,000 prospects, including their website. And so what we're doing is simply asking AI to go on a company page and then just make a quick one-line sentence of what they do. So the thing where AI goes wrong is when you ask AI to write a complete email or give them like full liberty on doing whatever they want. We give a really specific prompt and we just say like, we give the structure and we just want AI to fill in a few lines to make sure that it looks good, and we just use this little gap where we use AI to make it really good. So you see we give it the exact structure and then we just ask AI to add the missing pieces by looking on the company. So we say, I noticed that you, and then fill in value proposition. And then if we could generate sales calls with target audience. So this is where AI comes into play. So this is the first step. Let's say now this person does not answer the email. The second step is he goes into Hey Reach, and basically we send emails to person who answered positively on we send LinkedIn message on person who answers positively on email. This is in French, but it's the same. It's like, hey, Oliver, we were exchanging over email regarding paper lead, um, regarding lead gen on a performance basis for your company. Would you be interested for a quick call? And then basically the person answers, the inbox manager books them, and if not, if we send two messages and the person does not receive, we call them, using just call. And something we do here is also to use AI. If I look quickly, something cool we do is we have these prompts that we use. So let's go here. If I go here, new chats, I go like this. And the only thing we do is um, here is the script. Let's say I go into, so we have this SQL sheet that I will show you, Google sheet, where we log in all of the positive replies like this. So here, let's find the positive reply. So here, positive reply. If I check here, I check the conversation we had, like this, boom, like this, and then I copy paste this, I put it into ChatGPT, and he's gonna give me the call. Where was it? He's gonna give me the script I should use, basically, which is pretty cool. So now I can just open Just Out. I have Just Out right here. I can go like this. This is what I usually do. I put the two next to them. Uh, uh, he finds me the phone number from the signature, and I have the call. I have the script. So, hey, Jarmel, this is Annrai from ReachUP. Do you have a minute? Yes. Why are you calling me? And then I just say like, hey, I'm calling you because I sent you an email, and you mentioned that you're open for future cooperation regarding booking sales meeting. So I say straight, like I go straight to the point, saying like, hey, I'm calling you because you answered my email with positive intent. And then I just finalize like, I'm not going to take too much of your time. Would you be available at this time or this time? And something even cooler that you can do is please find free times inside my calendar using the Google Agenda extension. You can even link ChatGPT to your Google Agenda, and he will find the time zone of your prospect and find some availability in your agenda. So while you're live on the call, you can be pitching like two different times. Just gonna wait 5 seconds to see if he has it. If not, I'll pause this. So ChatGPT has finished looking for the answer. So October the 17th at October Friday October at 4:30 CST time. So I'm not even sure what CST time, but yeah, 2:30. My last call finishes at, so his time at check time finishes at 4:30. So this is why he's pitching 4:30, which is pretty cool basically. So that is the new no BS approach on how you book 5 meetings every single day. You send personalized email with a lot of volume, and volume is super important because I'm pretty sure also if I compare like If I have a call with someone and he says like, "Oh yeah, we're not booking enough as much sales call as you guys," if I check the amount of phone dials, of LinkedIn message sent, and of email sent, I can almost be 100% sure that we're doing more than them. You send personalized email, you answer to positive leads pretty fast. Two emails, two LinkedIn, two calling, so you maximize the possibility of someone seeing your answer. And if ever someone answer positively but has not booked a campaign, like booked a meeting with you, you can add them to your CRM and like contact them weekly, which is with like industry insights, a new offer you guys have, offer a reduction. This works pretty well. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If you would like us to implement all of this for you, so you don't have to worry about anything and simply go over sales calls and do what you do best, which is sales, we can do this for you. We're working currently with about 20 clients, and we would love to potentially work with you if there's a fit. So if this would be interesting for you, book a call using the link that will be in the description. Otherwise, stay around for the free value. Ciao.